Jefferson County, Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Ava, or 13 miles southeast of Chester, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Ava and Campbell Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room.
You guys get the point. Let's see if it's on the TV, because this isn't Mediacom's coverage area. There you go.
Close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, residents should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Hey, will you call me, please?
Yes, well, Mom.
I probably need to plug in my phone.
Well, there you go, guys. I gotta clean all this stuff up because I was just outside getting ready to hang my satellite. All right. See you guys.